What do you love about Santorini?
Τι σας αρέσει στη Σαντορίνη?
Me?
Yeah, you.
All my life here. From my grandfather. 200 years.
Oh, wow.
Family. Me here.
Ah. What's your favorite Greek food?
Μ' αρέσουν τα ψάρια.
Fish, I like fish.
Fish.
German.
Ah.
Almost now new. Σας ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ που με βιντεοσκοπήσατε.
Thank you so much for videoing me.
Ah. You're welcome. Thank you for letting us stay at your hotel.
Είστε ευπρόσδεκτοι. Σας ευχαριστούμε που μας αφήσατε να μείνουμε στο ξενοδοχείο σας.
Ah. So we just bought some water at a little market, and the nice woman gave us mespila fruit. This is a Greek fruit, and we've never tried it before. So we are gonna try it right here. Ooh. Oh, very juicy. It looks like a mango, kind of like a little mini mango. Okay. Oh, yum, yum, yum. All right, I'm gonna try taking a bite.
Mine's got a little spot on it here.
Okay.
How is it?
Mm.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, it's good. It's hard
What
to
does it taste
explain.
like?
It tastes like a mix between a grape and like a green apple.
Oh, I like
You
that a
see
lot.
that?
Yeah.
Mm. Oh,
Ah,
here's some of the
it's dripping.
seeds. Oh yeah, they are very fresh. It's so juicy.
Yeah, it does taste good.
Doesn't it
I
taste
also
kinda
don't know
like
how
a-
to describe it.
Yeah, it's like a mango, a grape, and a green apple had a baby.
There you go.
Thank you.
It's from the Greek wedding song.
Oh my god. Oh. No such a...